Hello everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. This is video number 21 of our Bengal Fest. Pratha is presenting its Bengal Fest for the first time. Remember, we have already shown 20 videos. If you are watching this video as your first one, make sure you go back to Instagram, YouTube or Facebook and you watch all the videos from start to end. Till now, what we've shown is we've shown Baha Chumkis, we have shown Khadi linens, we have shown very beautiful Jamdani saris, we've shown Tussar Jamdani, we have shown linens, a very beautiful collection and a different variety. We've shown muslins with chumki, muslin jamdanis. So it's a very beautiful assorted selection of saris which are woven in the region of Bengal. It's a brilliant set of saris, and let me tell you, this is just the beginning. There are so many more saris that we want to bring forth, but we thought since we have a huge collection, might as well have a fest and celebrate this and make it approachable and make it accessible to all of our online viewers. So all these saris are uploaded on our website. It's very easy. The ordering process is very easy. If you're watching on Instagram, just comment Bengal Fest in the comment section so that you directly get the links of all the saris shown in that video. If you're watching on Facebook or YouTube, just make sure you check out the caption or description. All the individual product links will be given. Or if you directly go to our website, which is www.prathasarees.com, just check out the collection in the name of Bengal Fest. You will get to see all the sarees that we've shown today. Make your decisions quickly, place your orders at the earliest because the fest is only till the time the stock lasts. So yes, let's go ahead. Now these are again beautiful Tussar Jamdani sarees with zari weaving in them. This is the first one, a very beautiful fresh shade of white. It has this zari Jamdani weaving in its border, zari butta, and a beautiful pallu. Just look at this, it's a very pretty pallu design. So yes, this is it. The price of these sarees is around 11,000. The next one is a gorgeous purple. It's a light purple, little darker than lavender but lighter than purple. It's a shade somewhere in between. Again, it has this beautiful zari border in golden silver zari. A very beautiful fresh saree. This is how it looks. And this is the gorgeous pallu. A very pretty pallu design. Let's move to the next one. The next one is a nice deep grey. It's like a charcoal grey or a charcoal black, if we may call it. So it's a very pretty color. I'm sure it is more greyish. This is the zari weaving. So these are pure Tussar sarees, Bengal Tussar. Very soothing fabric. It's just like linen or cotton. If it is pure Tussar, it is always cool to your body. So when you actually buy Tussar sarees, they will always give you they are lesser in temperature. They give you a cooler feel to the body. So yes, this is it. This is the gorgeous pallu. Let's move to the next one. The next one is this beautiful pearl color. Now I'm just going to bring this saree closer. If you see, it has a little bit of zari running through it. So it's almost like a tissue saree. It has a brilliant gold sheen all over. Very pretty. The design is different. The border weaving is different. Very elegant. This is how the pallu looks. Very classy. Imagine this saree with a little bit of pearl jewelry or a nice ruby diamond pendant. Look very classy. So yes, this is it. Let me just check the price of this particular saree. It is 11,200. Now the next one in a similar design is this purple. Very pretty color. Again, I'm just going to show you, these sarees have basically they have gold zari woven through warp and weft. So these are tissue Tussar Jamdanis basically. Very pretty. This is how the borders will look together. And this is the pallu. Beautiful pallu designs. The next one is the blackish grey as we call it. Very beautiful sheen all throughout the saree. Just check out the meenakari in the Jamdani border as well. Beautiful bright colors used in its borders. And this is the pallu. It has a very pretty pallu design. Our WhatsApp team is also available if you all need any support in your order. So if you place your order and if you have any instructions about when do you want the delivery, if you have any instructions, or if you have any query about whether your payment has gone through, whether it's any issue that you are facing, our WhatsApp team is right here to help you. Our WhatsApp number is given in all the video captions. Just make sure you connect with our WhatsApp team. We are right here to help you. Now this is the next one, a very pretty orange, rust orange color as we call it. Beautiful color. It's fresher than a rust orange actually. So yes, this is it, and this is the gorgeous pallu. Let's move to the last saree of this video. This is another purple. I have shown one purple, but this is slightly different. This color is more bluish. We can call this slightly bluish purple. So it's a little different than the earlier one. Very slight difference, but it's definitely not the same color. So yes, this was our Tussar Jamdani's collection. We have many sarees left. The entire Kantha collection is still pending. So stay tuned and watch our Bengal Fest and all the videos till the end.